Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse ERP Finance module. In the previous videos, we have understood various financial processes. Now in this video, we will understand an important planning concept, budget management in Lighthouse ERP. Let's understand this in a simple and practical way. What is budget management? Simple understanding: every organization plans its expenses and investments in advance. For example, how much to spend on purchases, how much budget is allocated to departments, how much can be spent on a project. This planning is called budgeting, and managing this entire planning inside the system is called budget management. Why budget management is important? Without budget control, expenses can exceed limits, projects may go over budget, financial planning becomes difficult. Budget management helps in controlling expenses, monitoring actual versus planned spending, making better financial decisions. How budget management works in ERP. Now let's understand the basic flow in Lighthouse ERP. 1. Budget configuration. First, we define how the budget will be structured. For example, department-wise, project-wise, expense-wise. This creates a budget type or budget group, which is used in further processes. 2. Budget creation. Once configuration is done, budget is created step by step. Budget can be defined in multiple levels like first level, second level, third level, detailed level. This helps in organizing budget in a structured way. 3. Budget allocation. After creating the budget, amount is allocated period-wise, monthly, quarterly, yearly, department-wise or project-wise. This ensures proper distribution of funds. 4. Budget usage and transactions. Once budget is defined, it is used in actual transactions like purchases, expenses, project activities. System can help in checking available budget, controlling overspending. 5. Budget monitoring and reports. Finally, budget is monitored using reports. The system provides budget versus actual comparison, period-wise reports, entity-wise analysis, project budget. In case of projects, budget is created specifically for each project. It helps in estimating total project cost, tracking actual expenses, controlling project budget. System also provides dashboards and analysis tools to monitor project performance effectively. To summarize this video, budget management in Lighthouse ERP helps organizations plan expenses in advance, allocate budget systematically, control overspending, monitor actual versus planned cost, manage project-wise budgets. This was a basic understanding of budget management in Lighthouse ERP. In upcoming videos, we will explore more financial processes and their practical implementation. See you in the next video, learners.